Okay, in this lesson we're going to be working with figuring interest on simple interest. We're going to be using a formula which is called I equals PRT, where I is what the interest is going to be calculated, P is the principal or loan amount or deposit amount, R is the rate of interest, and mostly the interest is on a yearly basis, but you'll have to read the problems to see if there's anything thrown in. And T is the amount of time, and that's usually in years. So as we look at the first problem here, we see that they tell us that the time is going to be 6 out of 12 because we're only working on 6 months. So it's going to be 6 over 12 will be your time. Remember, when you convert your percentages, your rates into a decimal, you're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So if you start behind the number 1 in the first problem, your decimal, or what you multiply, is going to be 0.01. Uh, Problems are going to be fairly simple in this first part of this assignment. Here we're given some things we're going to track. You see that the individual has a balance on their credit card. You need to calculate what their ending balance is and then multiply by their interest and time again uh, to find the rate at the end of the month. So we're going to use that same time. Time is in years, and you should be able to figure that fine. The interest charge in this one, I think, is going to be 1 over 12 because it's only a month of the year. So that should help you out with that.